My name is Seelnacht, and today I'll be talking to you about asphalt pavement. Asphalt pavement, not just for highways and parking lots. There are many other applications, like airport runways, drag strips, and even NASCAR tracks. First, we'll be talking about what asphalt consists of. Second, we'll then talk about the placement of asphalt. And lastly, an asphalt core sample. First thing, asphalt is made of three things. The first part of asphalt is the binder. The binder is bituminum asphalt. It is a byproduct of petroleum. The second thing is aggregates. Aggregates are rocks and slags. The last thing is fillers. Fillers are sand and recycled asphalt. Now that we have talked about what asphalt consists of, we will now talk about the placement of asphalt. Placement of asphalt. It all starts at the plant. First, they mix the aggregates in a drum and they heat it to remove all the moisture in the aggregates. Once all the moisture has been removed from the aggregates, they then place the bituminum, the binder, in with it. Once it is thoroughly mixed and has coated all the aggregate, then they put it in the trucks. Once it is put in the trucks, then it is brought to the job site. Once it's at the job site, it is then placed in the spreader. Once placed in the spreader spreads it on the highways. Once it is spread, the rollers come behind it and compact it. Once it's compacted, then it's ready to be striped and ready to drive on. Now that we have talked about the placement of asphalt, we will now talk about the core samples. The first sample I have for you is the base layer. The base layer of asphalt consists of larger aggregates and has bigger voids. The larger aggregates in the base of it are the structural support for the roads. And on this other one, the surface, you can see that the aggregates in this are much smaller and the voids are much smaller. With smaller aggregate and smaller voids, it's a much smoother ride and is much quieter. Today we've discussed the ingredients in asphalt, then how to lay the asphalt, and finally I showed you the core samples. In conclusion, the asphalt must be mixed properly and laid to a certain standard. Thank you.